LYNX Touch provides state-of-the-art security and home automation benefits. Whether your LYNX Touch looks like this or this, the operation is the same. If you're not leaving the premises and turning on the system, use the Stay mode. In the Stay mode, the system sounds an alarm when a protected door or window is opened, but otherwise you can move freely around your home. To turn on your system, the protected doors and windows must be closed or bypassed. A green bar shows you that the system is ready to arm. From the home screen, select the security icon. Select the Arm Stay icon and enter your security code. In this example, it will be 1234.
Armed Stay. Exit now.
You will see how much time you have before the system is armed. If everyone is leaving, use the Away mode. In the Away mode, the system will sound an alarm if a protected door or window is opened, or if there is movement detected inside the house. From the home screen, select the security icon. Select the Arm Away icon and enter your code.
Armed Away. Exit now.
The system counts down the time before the system is armed. Disarming the LYNX Touch 5200 is so simple. When you come home, it tells you to turn off the system.
Disarm system now.
Just enter your code and the system will turn off.
Disarmed. Ready to arm.
There may be times when you want to arm the system with a protected zone open, such as a bedroom window. If that's the case, use the bypass feature. From the home screen, select the security icon. Select Zones and the system will display all of the protected areas. Select the zone you want to bypass. Then select Bypass. Enter your security code and the system shows you that the zone has been bypassed. From here, select the Home button to return to the security screen and arm the system normally. If you would like to be notified each time a protected door or window is open, use the Chime mode. In Chime mode, the system sounds 3 beeps and announces the open zone. From the home screen, select the security icon, then the More icon on the home screen. Select Settings. Select the Chime icon and toggle from off to on. At this screen, you can also adjust other settings such as brightness and volume. Select Save.